Hello, COMM 450. Happy Friday morning. I wanted to do an extra pseudo face-to-face announcement as we are getting closer to the midterm exam, which I know everyone's excited for, that will be taking place in week 9. I really want to make sure everyone understands what to expect from the midterm and how we can all work together to be prepared for it. So I mentioned this at the beginning of the week, but the midterm is 3 different sections, and each section is timed at 2 hours. So that means 6 hours of a midterm exam. You do not have to take each section at the same time. In fact, I would recommend that you space it out over the course of week 9. It covers material weeks 1 through 8. So anything that's in week 9's material will not be on the midterm. And it's open book and open notes. So now is the time for you to be able to use your captures. One other thing I would recommend is with your captures, as you're reviewing them to prepare, it doesn't hurt to go and put page numbers on some of your central messages from your capture, so that it's easy to reference them in your textbooks if you need to refer to them for when you're looking for the answers to different questions. Also during week 9, you still have reading and a capture due. And I know that if I was taking this course, that would be overwhelming to me to take a 6-hour midterm and then have reading and a capture. So I am extending the due date for the capture to the following Wednesday. However, you'll still have your work from week 10 due during that week, besides the extended deadline of week 9's capture during week 10. So if you have not dropped your 2 captures yet for this semester, this might be one for you to think about dropping that capture from week 9. So that you can just focus on the midterm. Also, starting on Monday, the beginning of week 8, I will send out a study guide for you to be able to review in preparation for the midterm. And then on Wednesday of week 8, so next Wednesday, I will be doing a midterm review session during my office hours from 8 to 9 p.m. And I will record it. I think that it's beneficial if you're able to log in so that you can ask specific questions or anything like that. But I will record it and make it available to students. And so I want to make sure that you know what to expect from the midterm exam, to know that there's also material that's going to be due, technically in week 10 since we're extending it, but you'll still have reading to do. If you haven't dropped that capture, the 2 captures, and you'd like to drop that one that week, that might be a good idea. And then we'll give you every opportunity to be able to review the material. And I will be doing my office hours during the week of the midterm. So if you have questions, you can always log in and let me know. So if you have questions, please feel free to contact me. I just wanted to make sure to give you guys the heads up. So thanks and have a good weekend.